Handling a newborn baby requires gentle care and attention to ensure their safety and well-being. Here are some essential guidelines to help you handle a newborn baby. Wash your hands. Before handling a newborn, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. This helps reduce the risk of transmitting any germs or infections to the baby. Support the head and neck. Newborns have weak neck muscles, so it's important to support their head and neck whenever you pick them up or hold them. Cradle the baby's head with one hand while supporting their bottom with the other. Hold the baby gently. Newborns are delicate, so it's important to hold them with care. Place one hand under their head and neck, and the other hand supporting their bottom and back. Keep the baby close to your body for added security and warmth. Support during burping. After feeding, it's important to burp the baby to prevent discomfort and reduce the risk of gas. Support the baby's head with one hand and gently pat or rub their back with the other. Place a burping cloth or towel over your shoulder to protect your clothes from spit up. Check the temperature. Newborns are sensitive to temperature changes. Make sure the room is comfortably warm, around 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. Keep the baby adequately dressed or swaddled to maintain their body temperature. Be cautious with siblings and pets. If you have other children or pets, it's important to supervise their interactions with the newborn. Teach them to be gentle and cautious around the baby to avoid accidental injuries. Support the baby's neck during diaper changes. When changing the baby's diaper, support their head and neck with one hand while using the other hand to remove or fasten the diaper. Use a changing pad or a soft surface to provide a comfortable and safe area for diaper changes. Ensure proper sleep positions. Always place the baby on their back to sleep, as this reduces the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS. Remove any loose bedding, pillows, or stuffed animals from the crib to create a safe sleeping environment. Remember, each baby is unique, and it's important to adapt your approach based on their individual needs and preferences. If you have specific concerns or questions about caring for a newborn, consult with a pediatrician or healthcare professional for personalized guidance.